Internet, in this video I will show you what I finally figured out to fix the back hatch in my 2017 Ford Escape. Keep watching. Now before I tell you what I did to fix the back hatch, let me describe the symptoms. So we've owned this 2017 Ford Escape since 2018. For years the back hatch worked flawlessly, hitting the key fob or inside the instrument panel, just hitting it, and it would open, it would close correctly. About a year ago, however, it became very inconsistent. And I would say probably every other time, it simply wouldn't open. And then it got worse and it really struggled. You would hit it and you could hear some noises and the noise, and it wouldn't open. I would put pressure on one side and then it would open up eventually. And the problem got progressively worse. So about 3 weeks ago, I decided to do a video, since this is Scott's Garage, everything do it yourself, and of replacing, I assumed it was the actuator, the actual latch that's in the door. So I began a video on taking it apart and taking the latch out, and I bought a brand new latch for $227, not a cheap latch, and I installed it and it still didn't work. But now I can get it to work flawlessly. Now, perhaps you're watching this, I want to save you some money and just help you cut to the chase of what it was for me anyway, and perhaps it's the same with you. So here's the expensive actuator, and that was not the problem. This was the culprit, the original one anyway. This is the replacement, and it's called a trunk liftgate power or control module. And 2017, 2018, it's the same thing. And I found this on eBay, and the seller had a really high rating. He was from Canada, and I had to pay a tariff extra fee of 10 bucks, but it was worth it. And everything was the same on this, the original number, except for the last two letters. So the original one did not have an AH, but it didn't matter. This was the problem, and it works beautifully. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you got any value at all from this video, please give me a like. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to Scott's Garage. Everything do it yourself. Have a great day.